Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another stock Robinhood stock portfolio update. And today, the biggest drop, as you know, came from Tesla because of the investor day. And I thought, what happened to what happened to Dogecoin? Drop like that? I don't know. I thought investor days help the stock price, but it actually tanked the stock price. Okay, so let's go over the portfolio performance for today. And so 1 week, today I'm down 2,000. 1 week down 2,600. 1 month down 5,700. 3 month down 19,800. Year to date down up 22,000. 1 year down 107,000 in all time. Started 2016 December, so you can say 2017. Yeah, all time high 300,000. So right now it's only up 67,000. Used to be like 70,000 or something. So here's a put option I saw that I could get call on tomorrow. So probably if the price, if the future drops to 50 cents tomorrow, so they could exercise the option, so I have to buy like $100 worth of Faraday future. So that's one of the risks of selling put options, that you could get exercise. You have to buy it. If they don't, you get to keep the fee that you get, or people call it the premium that you get as well. So for example, right here, selling call option, and tomorrow don't think Tesla gonna raise to 290. So okay, so let me show you the total percentage change. Okay, so sorry that I uploaded kind of late today. Again, right now is 8:55 p.m. Central time. So as you know, I was doing DoorDash. So right now I made about $96 for DoorDashing. I know that I said yesterday I tried not to do it too much, but today it was raining very hard, and nobody was like taking any restaurant orders, so they keep sending me message for me to deliver. If I don't deliver any food, all the food that restaurant prepare gonna get wasted. So that's why I've been doing another DoorDash in the past 2 hours, because nobody want to do it because it's raining very hard. Anyway, okay, let's get back to topic. Okay, this morning there were a lot of interesting news that came out. The first one is that I think there was a presentation, and I forgot, Overstock CEO talking about short selling. So he discovered that that's gonna be what I talk about next. Gonna be pretty important to Robinhood. So, and the data he gave was very interesting as well. So Overstock CEO was talking about excuse me. Oh, 75% of Goldman Sachs revenue came from securities lending. Okay, so Goldman Sachs have two sectors for like to generate revenue. They got other like side hustles like IPO and stuff as well, but the two main sector is kind of like prime brokerage and hedge fund. So hedge funds probably they invest on other stocks and startups. I don't know how they operate their hedge fund, but that's basically the definition of hedge fund. Okay, so why is it that 75% of Goldman Sachs revenue came from security lending important? Okay, so that figure is like blowing my mind a little bit right now, because what security lending is, for those you don't know, is that basically a brokerage have your stock and he can lend it to a short seller, and the short seller pays the brokerage, which is Goldman Sachs, a fee to lend it to him. So I don't know, is it monthly or stuff like that. So it's like Goldman Sachs probably have a lot of uh, um, like pensions and stuff and sitting in their balance sheet, and pensions usually have majority of the time have like stocks on there, and then like billions of stocks that book and Goldman Sachs holds for them. And why I say could be wrong, because please do your own research, but that is just what I find out. So I found it on the internet, so I could be wrong about this as well. So please double check my research. So yeah, I was talking about pension fund like holding majority of the stock. Yeah, lending it to hedge funds, so they hedge fund pays. Not hedge fund, short seller, excuse me. Short seller pays and Goldman Sachs a fee like monthly, and so that's like amazing 75%. So why is it is related to Robinhood? Robinhood also just started doing like lending programs to Robinhood users. So I also lend out my whole portfolio. So as you can see, I have $96,000 portfolio, and when I lend it out, I only got like $17 a month. So short seller only pays me like $17 to borrow my stock. So Robinhood only do like 85 and 15% split. So Robinhood keep the 85% of the revenue from lending out the share, and I only get like 15%. So probably Robinhood made hundreds of dollars from lending out my stock. So in the future, like securities lending, like lending your brokerage lending your shares to short sellers could be a cash cow. So it's a huge revenue generator, and I did not know that. So it was a surprise finding. So just let you know. So it'll be very wise for you guys to keep an eye on Robinhood's how their revenue performance is like. If they can generate huge amount of revenue from securities lending, so they could be like as big as Goldman Sachs as well. So that's why I'm talking about it. So let's check out Robinhood. Robinhood. Okay, I don't know. Stock right here. Yeah, I also hold the stock, so surprisingly only down like 24%. So I'm gonna try to listen to the earnings call and see what's going on with them. And then Robinhood also, oh crap. Yeah. So Robinhood also okay, I got a delivery order, so it shows my address, so I gotta break it out. Okay, anyway, I gotta keep making the video because I've been talking so long about this. Now, at 4 o'clock, I was trying to make a video update about this, but I got like interrupted by a delivery order. So anyway, so Robinhood also today announced that Robinhood wallet for crypto is rolling out to all the iOS users. I think it's a huge and disruptive product, because when you buy crypto and with like exchange crypto with and the Robinhood wallet, it don't have an exchange fee. So I think that's like very revolutionary. So we should keep an eye out on that product as well. Okay, and then today another stock drops a lot. Silvergate Capital. So like 57%. The reason for that stock to drop so much is because they delayed the filing of annual report because of the regulatory investigation. And then another nail in the coffin is Coinbase dropped them from doing like payment from or to Silvergate. So so that's like nobody understand. So on the Silvergate, like I think like Cathy Wood also have a big position on this company, but she sold out. When the stock drops a lot, it only drops a lot. Like nobody can predict it that when like 1 years ago. So it was like $100 stock, so almost $160 stock, and right now it's like $5. Nobody can predict it that this humongous drop. So that's why you don't buy any stock that you don't understand. You're not fully you have to like 100% understand it, understand the risk. So that's why investing is so hard. It's not easy. It was easy on 2021, but after that it's not easy. Right now I feel a lot like 2019 type of environment. Okay, and then another EV stock, not stock, but Vinfast has delivered 45 EVs in the US. So I think they are all VF8, and Vinfast try to do a US IPO, so we can keep an eye out on that stock as well. And then Ford going to restart their F-150 19 production on March 13th. So because of the battery issue, they are trying to resolve. So that's why they stopped the production like I don't know, more than a week ago. Okay, so that's basically all the news what's going on today. So I think like if you are short on cash, if you in my opinion, so I could be wrong about this, but like if you're short on cash, I think doing DoorDash could be a good way to help you help you out on rent, installment bills. If you like to meet people and stuff like that. So if you're not shy and stuff, so DoorDash is pretty easy. You can just usually I don't meet people much. 8 out of 10, you can just mostly just leave it at their front door. It depends on your city. Like if you live on a huge city and the traffic is really bad, like Los Angeles, I don't know. But if you live in small town, so it'd be pretty good money. In my opinion, I could be wrong. I don't know if your city is dangerous, neighborhood is dangerous. I don't know. You have to check out that. So if it's a safe neighborhood and easy to drive, I think it's a good income source. Just my opinion. So I could be wrong. Please ask your mom or dad or your uncle or anybody. So just my opinion. I've been doing DoorDash for like 1 or 2 weeks. I don't know how long, more than a week, and it was very fun. Yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe if you want to. Right now I try to get like 525 subscribers. I got 523 right now. By the end of the week, if you can help me out, that'd be great. And if you can give this video a like, that'd be great as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, Friday.